will be presenting about bibliometric analysis on research ethics. First, let me introduce our presenter for today. My name is Nur Afika Shazwina. With us, we have Muhammad Fikri, Irshad Aiman, and Husna Ishira. For today, I will be presenting about the introduction of Scopus, Web of Science, and search strategy. For Scopus, Scopus is one of the world's largest abstract and citation database, used by researchers, students, and academics worldwide. Scopus provides access to peer-reviewed journals, conference papers, and books. It indexes content from thousands of reputable publishers. It focuses on a high quality and credible sources only. While Web of Science, which is a long-established and highly selective research database, known for its strict journal evaluation and editorial review process, covers influential journals, books, and conference proceedings. It provides detailed of citation tracking to follow research development. It includes impact of metrics to access journal prestige and research impact. Next is search strategy. A search strategy is essential for finding accurate and relevant academic information. It provides a structured plan for selecting and using keywords effectively. It helps to reduce irrelevant results and save research time. User can use Boolean such as and, or, and not to refine or broaden researches. This study uses keywords, research ethics, and tertiary education. Now, I will explain about the steps of using Scopus. The first step shows the process of accessing the UiTM Permata portal, which serves as the main platform for UiTM students to access subscribed academic database. The second step shows the selection of the Scopus database through UiTM Permata portal interface. Scopus is one of the most used databases for conducting bibliometric analysis. For the third step, it shows an interface to logging into UiTM Scopus database using UiTM Gmail account. Institutional access allows users, especially students, to retrieve full text and index scholarly material. The fourth step displays the Scopus database homepage after logging in. The interface of Scopus provides multiple search options such as basic and advanced search features. The fifth step shows the use of the advanced search in Scopus. Advanced search allows users to construct precise search using specific keywords and Boolean operator. The sixth step presents the initial search result before applying any filter. In this step, the results include a broad range of documents related to the search topic. The seventh step demonstrates the filtering search result by publication year. This step helps to ensure that the retrieved articles are relevant to the search topic. For eighth step, it shows the next step of filtering the subject area. Filtering the subject area helps to get the final result based on a relevant academic type. The ninth step displays the filtering of document based on document type. This ensures that only suitable document formats such as journals articles are selected. For the 10th step, by selecting a suitable language for search result. Filtering language step is to ensure that only English language publications are included in the analysis. The 11th step is filtering document based on the keyword. This to ensure that only relevant and focused studies are included in the analysis. The 12th step shows the research result after filtering process. The result consists of documents that meet the selected keyword, document type, subject area, year range, and language. And explore more by clicking Analyze Result.
In step 13, most search results are displayed. Then in step 14, the Analyze Result function is selected. This feature is used to analyze the search result and organize the data in a clearer and more structured way. In step 15, the analysis is refined by clicking Document by Author. This step focuses the analysis on authors who have contributed to the topic. Moving to step 16, the results are displayed after selecting Document by Author. This shows a list of authors along with the number of publications they have. In step 17, the author with the highest number of publications related to this topic is identified. This helps to highlight the most active contributors in this research area. Next, in step 18, the list of articles written by the top author is displayed, allowing further review of their publication. Finally, step 19, which presents the continuous list of articles. For this slide, it shows the prisma diagram for Scopus showing the result before and after filtering.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Irshad Amin bin Muhammad Ghazali. Right now I'm going to continue the presentation. I'm going to talk about methods using Web of Science step by step. Step 1. Access the library or database portal. Begin by accessing our UITM portal. Please ensure you are recognized as an authorized user with full text access. Step 2. Select Web of Science. From the list of available databases, select Web of Science. This platform provides access to high-quality, peer-reviewed scholarly literature. Step 3. Institutional login. Log in using your institutional credentials, for example, university login. These steps enables access to subscription-based content. Step 4. Web of Science homepage. After logging in, you are directed to the Web of Science homepage, where you can start searching for documents, researchers, or institutions. Step 5. Advanced Search Interface. Navigate to the Advanced Search or Filtered Search interfaces. This allows more precise searching using specific fields such as topic, title, author, or year. Step 6. Enter search keywords. Enter relevant keywords related to your research. For example, we are using research ethics and tertiary education, and also use Boolean operators and such as and or not to refine the search. Step 7. Initial search results. Review the initial number of research results generated. This provides an overview of how broad or narrow your search query is. Step 8. Filter by publication years. Apply publication years filters to focus on a specific time frame. This helps ensure the relevance and currency of the literature. Step 9. Review refined results. Examine the refined list of articles after applying year filters. Titles, abstract, and keywords are reviewed for relevance. Step 10. Apply language filters. Limit results to a specific language. For example, we are filter language English. This ensures consistency and accessibility of the selected studies. Step 11. Filter by research areas. Apply research area filters such as social science that we are using. This narrows the search to disciplines relevant to the study. Step 12. Final refined results. Review the final sets of articles after applying all filters. These represent the most relevant literature for the research topic. Step 13. Open and review individual articles. Click on individual articles to read abstract, keywords, and citation details. This helps assess the suitability of each article for inclusion. Step 14. Analyze results by Web of Science categories. Use the Analyze Result features to view distribution by subject categories. This provides insight into dominant research areas. Step 15. Analyze result by authors. Analyze the result by authors to identify leading contributors in the field. This helps recognize influential researchers. Step 16. Visualize author contribution. Examine visual chart or tree map showing publication contribution by authors. This aids in understanding research prominence and collaboration patterns. Step 17. Articles from the most written author. These are the articles from the most written article. Step 18. More results. More results from the most written author. Next slide. This is the diagram that we use for our assignment. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Fikri Minuddin, and I want to continue at discussion part. Firstly, the author. For the author section, the Scopus analysis show that Chin AMC and Krishnan LKR are among the most productive authors in the field of research ethics. This indicates their strong and continuous involvement in this area of study. Meanwhile, in the Web of Science, the number of publications is more evenly distributed among authors, showing a wider perception without dominance from any specific individual. For the second part is country. In terms of country, Scopus identified the United States as the top of contributor research ethics publication. This reflects the country's strong research culture and high funding support. However, in the Web of Science database, China is the leading contributor. Although with the fewer overall publications, this difference highlights how each database covers the different journal and regional research strength. For the third part is affiliation. For affiliation, the Scopus show that the University of Toronto has the highest publication output, indicating a strong institutional commitment to research ethics. On the other hand, in the Web of Science, the Auckland University of Technology ranked the highest. Overall contribution with the Web of Science appear more balanced across institutions. Next, years. Looking at the publication years, Scopus record the highest number of publications in 2025, which showed a recent rise in the interest awareness regarding research ethics. In the Web of Science, the peak years are 2021 and 2025, indicating a more consistent growth pattern over time. And lastly, a funding sponsor. For funding sponsor, Scopus highlight the National Institution of Health as the leading funding body. This suggests the strong institutional support for research on ethics. Meanwhile, in the Web of Science, the funding sources are more evenly distributed across multiple agencies, showing that research ethics receive diverse financial support. That's all from me. Thank you.
To conclude, this study shows that bibliometric analysis is useful for understanding research trend in research ethics. A clear and well-planned search strategy is essential to obtain accurate and relevant academic articles. The findings also indicate that research ethics has gained increasing attention over the years, showing its growing importance in academic research. In addition, contributions come from various author countries and institutions, reflecting global interest in this field. Overall, using reliable academic databases such as Scopus and Web of Science support ethical practices and improve the quality of research.